Yeah, this goes out to all the beautiful women in the world. You the world, women you beautiful. From a single strand of hair on down to your cuticles. Women you beautiful. From sunrise to moonlight, oh you oh so durable. Women you beautiful. And just the fact you give life makes it so undisputable. Women you beautiful, women you beautiful, women you beautiful, women you beautiful. No matter color, race, creed, size, shape, speed, you're like a natural high without smoking that weed. The reason Doc smacked me on the ass and said grave, you're the gateway to life and it's a beautiful thing. Just cut the umbilical and let me loose. Women you beautiful regardless. There's no excuse unless the inner you stinks, that means you ugly too. But for you, there's nothing that we wouldn't do. Your Venus flytrap done turn men fool. From one taste of you, you're the earth's jewel. The reason cash rules will never find fine with peanuts and cashews. No two things you love is handbags and shoes, other than your mama or them 1 or 2 seeds that came out of you. Even got a special date set just for you. 214, time to scope. Women you beautiful. From a single strand of hair on down to your cuticles. Women you beautiful. From sunrise to moonlight, oh you oh so durable. Women you beautiful. And just the fact you give life makes it so undisputable. Women you beautiful, women you beautiful, women you beautiful, women you beautiful. Way before you wake up, before your makeup.
It's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with an extremely exciting video, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you my Curlbox January 2020, the non-subscription box. And what Curlbox is a monthly subscription where you pay $25 a month. In your box you usually receive 5 products, hair care products, and they're usually within the same line. Like I know last month they had the can too, so it's usually the same brand. Like you'll get your shampoo, your conditioner along with your styler. But then they also have non-subscription boxes that you're able to purchase on their website. It's $5 for the shipping, and nobody ever mentioned tax plus tax, because I am going to be on this month's subscription. But this box that we're discussing here is one of their non-subscription boxes, and yes, I paid $25 for the box. It's $5 for shipping, and it was $1.88 for tax. So I paid $31.88 for this box, and it actually includes 5 of their products from the same line. The Honey Repairing Shampoo for Health and Restore. I received the Urban Hydration Honey Health and Repair Deep Conditioner. The Urban Hydration Honey Leave-In Conditioner Detangling Spray. I received the Urban Hydration Honey Soft and Detangle and Style Daily Moisturizer. And I also received the Urban Hydration Honey Style Setting Cream. I was very excited to try these products. The whole honey line had me. When I seen them posted it, I hurry up. I was in a dentist's office. I was online, hurry up and making my purchase. Like I mentioned, this was a non-subscription box. So if you're not signed up to receive their monthly Curlbox every month, you can go online, because they do sell products, and their website is. You can go online and check out what they have. They usually have great products, because I have a total of 5 products for 25 bucks. I will leave the prices of each product below in the description box. But let's go ahead and get into the review. Now what I can say is the packaging. They had the packaging, everything was sealed, which I really appreciated. But the nozzles, I mean, I'm just a simple person. It was kind of hard to use, and I think I actually broke this, or maybe it came broke because it doesn't pump. And when I was trying to apply the shampoo to my hair, the shampoo was squeezing out of this part. But actually on the nozzle, it has where you have to twist it to open, and to stop you turn it the opposite way. And maybe I wasn't reading it right, or understanding it right, or just moving too fast. But yeah, you have to twist it on each side. And what I like about this brand is, well, carbon-free, sulfate-free, healthy, and free. The shampoo helps to repair damage, helps prevent breakage, and helps tan free. It intensely cleanses, moisturizes, and revitalizes dry hair in one wash. Strengthens hair and promotes shine and health while looking in and vitalizing curl definition. Safe for relaxed and curl treated hair. like how they have like each one of their products has like a little story on the back. Really cute packaging. Now when I initially, of course this was my first time trying this brand, and this was the first product I used. This it gave a pretty nice lather. It is extremely stripping. My hair felt so dry. I was so nervous. I was like, oh my gosh, I really hope I like these products. But when I followed up with the conditioner really helped to balance that out. But let's talk about the shampoo. This, like I mentioned, I don't think my pump is working on. The smell kind of puts me in the mind of like a fragrance. The shampoo, it kind of it's a really thin. It's like a really thin, like a thin liquidy consistency. Now the smell of shampoo puts me in the mind of like one of them body fragrance lotions. Not a bad smell, very light smell, but it makes me if you've ever used Philosophy, the Philosophy brand, it puts me in the line of the Philosophy brands, like one of their lotions. And then like I mentioned, the shampoo was so stripping, I got so nervous. I'm like, oh my gosh, I hope this brand doesn't, you know, drop my hair. That was the first product I used. But when I followed up with the conditioner, check this out. Check out how thick that is. This conditioner is off the chain. When I say it was creamy and consistent, and my hair was just so, the slip and the moisture, it just brought my hair back to health. So like it said, it's an intense cleanse. I guess if you really want to cleanse your hair, if you're going to use this by itself without the conditioner, the pair without, make sure you use a very hydrating conditioner so your hair doesn't feel so dry. But this, I used the conditioner, love the conditioner. I was like, okay. And then I moved into the, and again, it has the twist pump on it as well, where you have to read the turn to open it. Not just like me, I pulled the thing off and just started pumping, but I was more careful with the actual conditioner on it. And then I followed up with the honey leave-in conditioner, veggie glycerin, aloe leaf, grapeseed extract, and argan oil. Detangle curls without harsh breakage. I love it. The hair types, especially for type 2, type 3, and type 4. Now this was very interesting, and again, I love this product as well, but this was very interesting to have a pump spray for detangler for me personally. I'm used to being able to control. The only thing I found with the spray is it was just like spraying everywhere. So if you want, my suggestion for you is, especially if you have a lot of hair, if you want to just cup your spray and then place it in the hair, but this is very good. I'm actually going to try this product on a wash and go. Just spray my hair with it first and then use the product, but I really love this. Detangler was lightweight. It made my hair, it just glided through the hair and made the whole detangling process extremely easy. And see, it has a little squirt, but you know, again, these little pumps. Oh, and with this too, it has a very interesting, with the top, it has the little button that says off. You have your off button, and then you have your on button. You have to push it. When you want to turn it on, you have to make sure you push it to where the off part is sticking out. So that was kind of like crazy, like there we go. And it's a very lightweight smell. What does it smell like? It smells like hair products. Really good products. I could smell the grapeseed oil and the argan oil and that product, but I love this. And then what I did was I followed up with the Daily Moisturizing Honey Soften, Detangle, and Style Daily Moisturizer. Again, paraben-free, sulfate-free, healthy. And defines and revitalizes curls intensely, conditions and softens hair, tames frizz, and reduces breakage. Very lightweight cream. I actually like the, if you like a perfume smell, I like great smelling products. I mean, they smell really good. But this is a really lightweight cream, and I actually use, of course, this is the results of all these products. I use this to unravel my twist. What I did first was after I wash, condition, and detangle with the products, I used the Daily Moisturizer first, and then I applied Hydration Honey Creamy Moisturizer Retaining Hold Style Setting Cream. veggie glycerin, shea butter, cocoa seed butter, and rosemary extracts. It repairs damage, promotes health, tames frizz. I followed up with this, and as you can see, this is a cream texture, so I actually use all 5 products. See, it's a very creamy cream consistency, but not too thick. This doesn't smell as good as the other products. Okay smell, but I don't really like the smell of this one too much. Not as great as the other ones. But I wore my twists. I wore my hair in twists for two days. Then I took them out. The only pros to this, I really like these products, especially out of the 5 products. 4 of the 5 I really love, and that would be the conditioner. I love the detangler. I love the daily moisturizer, and I love the style setting cream. The shampoo, again, like I mentioned, if you're using a shampoo without the conditioner, not sure how that's going to work on your hair. You would have to use a very, very hydrating conditioner, because that shampoo is extremely stripping and makes your hair feel really dry. Really gives it a good clean, but it feels so dry, like you have to use something that's conditioning. After that, with the products, now I did know I had a lot of flaking. I mean, I cleaned this shirt that I have on like 5 times, and I don't understand. Here's the result of the twist out. I love it, well defined, soft, pretty, but I don't know where all the flaking is coming from. I'm not sure if I use too much of the product, being heavy handed. I'm not sure if that's it. I'm not sure if I should try it next time, because I will use these products. I really enjoy them. I don't know if I'll base it first with an oil first to see if that'll break it up. But overall, I really enjoy the products, and I will continue to use them and play with them, trying them with oils and different things. If you've ever tried the Urban Hydration Honey line, let me know how it worked out for you. How did you use it? Did you use all 5 products the way I did? What was your results? Did you have a lot of flaking? Let me know how it worked out for you below in the comments box. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.